Welcome to Apt Maths. In this video you will learn to solve sums related to linear equations in one variable. Solve the equation 2y plus 7 equals to 4. Step 1. Transpose 7 to RHS. We get 2y equals to 4 minus 7. This implies that 2y equals to minus 3. Step 2. Divide by 2 on both sides. We get 2y by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Solution. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now let us solve a sum from CBSE Class 8 book. Exercise 2.1. Solve the equation 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Step 1. Transpose 3 by 7 to the RHS. We get x equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Step 2. Solve the expression on the RHS. This implies that x equals to 17 minus 3 by 7. Hence, we get x equals to 14 by 7. Solution. X is equal to 2. Now, it's your turn. Solve the equation 7x minus 9 equals to 16. Think. Solve the equation using the steps you learned earlier in this video. If you need more time to solve, you can pause the video till you solve, and then check the answer. Solution. X is equal to 25 by 7. Hope you found this video useful. Before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is posted.